Peace, peace, peace. This your brother Monroe Jr. I'm going to be offering my brief commentary right after this quick clip. Peace.
Just quick lesson. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan said that the human brain is a natural drug manufacturing company. Adrenaline.
Yeah.
Yep.
Endorphins. Dopamine.
Yep.
Serotonin. Norepinephrine. These are natural chemicals that the brain already produces.
Right.
Our brain is supposed to see and experience things in life and then begin manufacturing the chemical that is necessary to deal with and bring balance back to the mind and the body. Problem though, the average human being in America is only using 3 to 8% of their brain power. Imagine if you had a car that was a V12, but you only could run 1 or 2 cylinders.
Wow.
The car not gonna last long.
Right.
Engine's gonna burn out.
Right.
You're not gonna be able to get the speed you want to get or the power that you're looking for. Well, so it is with the brain. So if the brain is a natural drug manufacturing company, but the law says what you don't use, you lose.
Right.
So if I'm not using 92 to 97% of my brain power, my whole existence, what I don't use, what's what I done? I lose.
Right.
So now the brain has become so underdeveloped in America that the human brain that is a drug manufacturing company does not have enough power to manufacture the adequate drugs on the inside to deal with the stress of life on the outside.
Right.
So people start
That's so
reaching
true.
out for some stuff, and all the stuff that they're giving you is nothing more than a cheap replica of what God gave your brain already. Problem. Look at every commercial for a drug. 30-second commercial. 7 seconds tells you the benefit. 23 seconds is the side effect.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, and the side effects is, I mean, how am I taking a drug for depression and it tells me that if you begin to have suicidal thoughts? What the hell?
Right.
What kind of drug is this for depression?
Right.
I
Right.
was sad, but I wasn't that sad.
Right.
You
Right.
telling me that the drug might make me sadder?
Right.
Right.
That
Right.
I didn't
Or
went
even
from
make you
just
kill
not
yourself.
wanting to get up and go to work to now I might want to kill myself?
Right. Right.
Something ain't right.
Absolutely.
So whenever the real formula for trauma is the strengthening of the most important muscle in the body, which is the brain. And the way the brain is made strong is by reading, by resisting evil, mental exercise, and believe it or not, physical exercise. Engaging in those 4 things will keep your brain, make your brain stronger and stronger, and then when the stress of life shows up, you'll automatically activate the norepinephrine, the endorphins, the serotonin, the adrenaline, the dopamine, and it'll start making its own chemical composition. You need 4 ounces of that, and you need 2 ounces of that, and you need 1 drop of that. Mixes it up in your brain, and next thing you know, you're able to keep a smile on your face and move through life with harmony and balance. So our children need brain strengthening exercises and good food, not drugs.
Right.
We need to look at generational trauma and go way past single mama, single parent. I watched my brother get shot when I was 12. Yeah, that's the branch. That's the trunk. But the root of the problem is the catastrophic blow that we suffered when we were kidnapped and made slaves. We got to go back to that.